Luvv really pulled up. Luvv really pulled up.
Thanksgiving 2023.
Hold up, first up, I gotta really let them know this was never for the money or the cars or the clothes. In the studio by my lonely, just expressing all my thoughts. Major love for those around me, don't be thinking I forgot. Hold up, first up, I gotta really let them know this was never for the money or the cars or the clothes. In the studio by my lonely, just expressing all my thoughts. Major love for those around me, don't be thinking I forgot. Feeling pretty separated, but the work I put in lots. Take the time to make a beat and then I rap, connect the dots. All these bitches in my DMs speaking secondary thoughts. Feeling limited on time, so I copped another watch. Even though it's been some years, I never made the choice to stop. In the studio, I've been vibing, I just made another pop. I don't wanna be like any other rapper, never swap. H&F and that's forever, I can never put it in park. I'm the flame, I got the light when you need me in the dark. One side of me like a fish and one side of me like a shark. Regardless on how I feel, I promise to leave a mark. Not planning on signing deals, just plan on signing my art. Hold up, first up, I gotta really let them know this was never for them.
When I put dick inside her mouth, my cum will never leave her lips. My gun is blood, once it's out, your homie's done. After this, you think you water in the drought. You bought a barrel of a bitch, you leave my towel on the couch. The gods agree, I'ma be lit. Explore Walmart lit. I see your mind shifting, I see your eyes drifting. My pretty woman soldier, don't keep your mind distant. We might just lose composure, we might just die different. Tell me what comfortable, want me play you forever. Don't need them side bitches, don't need them no keys, don't need them side switches, don't ever lose your vision. Cause if you lose your vision, you might lose your vision. If you lose your fucking vision, you might lose your vision. So if you really lose your vision, don't lose your vision. Cause if you lose your fucking vision, you might lose your vision. So what, you understand? Don't lose your vision, bitch, you understand? Don't lose your vision, bitch, you understand? Don't lose your vision, bitch, you understand? Don't lose your vision, bitch. Yeah, come on, let's give it a turn in this motherfucking building. Yeah.
How's she in the fucking house?
Yes, sir. My name is Who is JG? Everybody calls me JG. That's what you could call me now. Yeah. Nah, bro. I just started this shit. Oh shit. You got it?
Make the dollars! So look, on the count of three, after three, I want y'all to turn 2, 3, I make the dollars! I'm a lady traumatized. Are you down to ride? Got some lights in this Harley. Baby girl talking about please don't start me. Put me in the bedroom, make sure you're recording. Yeah! Can't fuck with you, rock your head fixed, she respect it. You should rock your chair like Nike. Bitch, I'm grimy, slimy, hit a leg once, they still can't find me. If a nigga run up on me right now and catch me stay, pussy nigga brains, pussy nigga bleeding, pussy nigga rain. Heart in my sleeves in the belly of a vein. Sex on my face, so I made me a monster. I can't stop it, I can't stop rocking. I'm keep rocking, hoes keep fucking. Hey, boy, nigga, I can't so. I'm a white nigga, got nothing to give me no tricks, boy, nigga, I'm trying to go. I give it, put the gas down on me, nigga, your brains will blow. That bitch, she get it low. Sticking your head like I don't know which way to go on. Hey, yo, no one's here. She said that I'm the devil, I should try to sign a deal. My love like voodoo, I don't really know what was real. Let's turn the fuck up! Let's turn the fuck up!
I would love it if you guys could sing with me. It's called Beating.
Oh shit.
It's really fucking simple. All you guys, so I'm gonna sing. My heart is beating like And you guys are gonna sing. I'm so fucking thankful for all of you. Hope you all had a great Thanksgiving, by the way. Hell yeah. Ooh, okay, you guys, we're gonna switch up the language and do some Spanish for you guys. This song's called Miel. You guys don't have to know the words, just vibe, you know. It's some sexy chill vibes. So let's get into it.
Hey, lights up! Alright, say Lester.
Yeah. I'm so fucking thankful for all of you. Hope you all had a great Thanksgiving, by the way. Hell yeah. Ooh, okay, you guys, we're gonna switch up the language and do some Spanish for you guys. This song's called Miel. You guys don't have to know the words, just vibe, you know. It's some sexy chill vibes. So let's get into it.
Hey, lights up! Alright, say Lester.
Literally, try your like anything you want to do, it's fucking me, guys. Live your life.
Hey, you should try your fucking luck!
You should try your luck. You should try your luck. Take a risk, have some fun.
Let's ride, ripping it down. Breathe it out, breathe it out, breathe it out, you making it now.
the longest in the game, I be doing this. Call me Eminem, is on my mind, I be doing this. That was so annoying, like the teachers giving lectures. When that you go with me. Get it, hey, hey, hey. 1, 2, 3, 4. I remember I went to a show in Seattle. It was Kizzy Mars, right? I saw 6 people from Wenatchee, like, Wenatchee's coming in right now, right? And I'm like, for real? All right, bet. Bro, swear to God, 200 people from Wenatchee come down these stairs. I'm like, oh, shit, right? We just kept on vibing. They told me come out to party. I came out in 2016, and I'm like, damn, I gotta come back. So I hit a Who's AG, and what the fuck is up, Wenatchee? This next song on the stage, we out real quick, man. Y'all feel me? Yeah! I said, y'all feel me? Yeah! Feel that shit. Y'all know I'm gonna dance real quick. I can dance like the break dancers, but hey, if this show here can make some noise for the break dancers, man.
She just wanna bitch and party, I just wanna smoke and chill. Girl, you got me fucked up, I'm just trying to keep it real. She just wanna bitch and party, I just wanna smoke and chill. Girl, you got me fucked up, I'm just trying to keep it real. She bad, oh, she bad. You bad. Yeah, she just wanna bitch and party, I just wanna smoke and chill. Girl, you got me fucked up, I'm just trying to keep it real. She tries not to show it. Party and bullshit. Like that, like girl, we trying to get into it. I'm down with it, I'm down with that. Girl, I just wanna keep it simple. Yeah. I'm fine all the time. That's too high. I don't fuck with that, huh? Nope, that's true. No love for that, no. Yeah, she just wanna be somebody. I just wanna smoke and chill. Girl, you got me fucked up. I'm just trying to keep it real. I just wanna be somebody. I just wanna smoke and chill. Girl, you got me fucked up. I'm just trying to keep it real. I'm just trying to keep it real. She's bad.
I see you, bro. Yeah.
Wenatchee knows who the fuck he is. Where's my boy Fly? Bitches, big. Hey, what up? These my name, you little bitch, you dig?
Have you ever seen a dog get my baby and I love my sin? 22 and shit gets 2 to 3. You did extend up too long as a centipede. You did they try to play me tough, but I wanna do they think I'm dumb. Run up on them with a shiesty, bitch, I'm taking some. I keep wondering where the fuck these raps be coming from. Oh, I'm from the 509, so why you come from them? You know the words to my shit, oh, just go ahead and sing along. Yeah, go ahead and sing along. For some reason, me and Bonnie said, bitch, we do not get along. Yeah, it is fuck well. Yeah, bitch, have you ever seen a young nigga in that limousine. I got a little 22 and she gets 2 to 3. You dig? Extended people on as a centipede. You dig? Yeah, bitch, have you ever seen a young DeFi wavy in that limousine? I got that little 22 and she gets 2 to 3. You dig? Extended people on as a centipede. You dig? Oh, you dig?
I know how it goes with fucking cameras and smoke.
What to say, but you don't let me pay. You told me that we're never ever talking face to face. And yeah, I'm out of place. Yeah, in my mind all day. It's like I just met you and I never wanna separate. So I say, I'm so done, yeah. You connected to me, but now you just come away. Hey, so I say, I'm so done, yeah. You connected to me, but now you just come abuse me, wait. Hey, oh, yeah, hey, oh, yeah. So I say, I'm so done, yeah. You connected to me, but now you just come abuse me, yeah. Thank you.
Yo, give it up for On the Road. Paul Mantinko's coming up next right now.
Y'all need to bump this one
DJ,
on the road.
Let that shit play. Let's get it on the road.
Let's go. I'm not insane. I leave my mark just like a stain, just like a stain. Leave my status like a metal page. Hey, on the road, baby, I've been on the road, on the road, baby, I've been so alone. I'm so alone. I feel like I've been here before, been here before. These emotions seem to never go. On the road, baby, I've been on the road, on the road, baby, I've been so alone. I'm so alone. I feel like I can't even
know. So even though that I just fucking soul. No, I never fall, girl. Even my money does. Really old, how I only see you through the phone. It's getting cold, I've been feeling like a winter storm. Barefoot in the snow, I go the distance if you want me to. Running, I'm making my plans, seeing new faces, possible man. All the places don't have what you have. I'm coming up soon, you know I'll be back. Taking your vibe, I'm ready to stand. Yeah, I get jealous, man. Yeah, I get jealous, yeah. I know I'm better for you, so please stay on this. Yeah, I get jealous, man. Yeah, I get jealous, yeah. I'm better for your mind, so I'm always yeah. Thank you. I know I fucked up way too many times, and I know I told you all these fucking lies. Yeah, I do. I promise I will show you love before, cause no, I never lose hope. I hope.
1, 2, 3, go! Thinking about you and me. All the things that we could be. Hey. Stay up all night smoking weed. Missing it was you and me. This holds a special place in my heart. I hope y'all fuck with it. It's called Time. Oh, Time. Yeah, I swear that shit just really flies by. So if you ain't talking, no need to move aside. I can't trust no bitch, I can't waste no time. Yeah, I'm chasing cash, where it's always on my mind. Wanna get a million, so I gotta grind. Happy that you crossed me, cause now I'm doing fine. Yeah, I know, want me onto yourself and you wanna call me yours. I've been one bro, but trying to make it out this hole. I just turned cold, I'm from the valley and she might just take my soul. Promise of a car, yeah, that shit be beautiful. Time. Yeah, I swear that shit just really flies by. So if you ain't talking money, then move aside. I can't trust no bitch, I can't waste no time. Yeah, I'm chasing cash, but it's always on my mind.
Dance, take a place, quarterback, so she really need the wood. I said I'm in love with Jack. Now I miss her, even though I didn't kiss her. I just keep it so real.
She tell me how you feel. All my brothers with me, but gotta keep it real. Put on for my bro, probably wish he was here. This is so good.
I was up in bitch sexually just like Ricky Bobby. I had a bitch flip check like you never called me. I see a man now he acting like he never saw me. I'm trying to cut me down, I'm taking every bitch. I got a Mac now, I'm taking
Tell me how you feel. I'm a baby, I did it, so hey, yeah. Thank you guys, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. No sé qué es lo que sientes. Yo sé, baby, yo sé. Tú no quieres volver conmigo, yo ya lo sé. Entonces, ¿por qué me mandas juntar? Que me quedas jugando tú conmigo. ¡Ay, no sé qué es lo que sientes. Nuestro amor se fue de repente, pero corre por mi mente. ¡Ay, ay! No sé qué es lo que sientes. Nuestro amor se fue de repente, pero corre por mi mente. Wow, 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 wow. Baby, baby, sin ti no sé qué hacer. Wow, wow, hey, wow, wow. Baby, baby, sin ti no sé qué hacer. Wow, 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 wow. JG, let's go! Alright.
Just on the shit, that's where I'm coming from. Pass me a cup, I need to pull myself another beat. People telling me that it's okay, it's all about the grind. I don't give a fuck what they gon' think, I'm out here getting mine. Making bread and flipping it, adding up and multiply. That's how I'm living it, invested before spending it. These boys be wanting problems, bring the fire like some cinnamon. No ordinary citizen, I'm the plug, I don't fuck with these middlemen. Turning up the club, did it once, I do it all again. I'ma hit the road, tell the girl she better bring her friends. Vibing on the boat, it don't matter what we cooling it. I just roll some smoke, if you want it, we can do it there. Pockets getting swollen, getting low, I'm overdue for that.
Fuck your shit! Oh, yeah,
Where was you when I was struggling, man? I swear you wasn't there.
Where was you when I was struggling, man? I swear you wasn't there. Sing it, JG!
I was struggling, man, I swear you wasn't
There, what?
I don't think that I can build.
Hey!
Wasn't dead, what?
All the shit get in the field. Way I move through life, but when you break down, gotta build. So I'm still out in the field, careless about how they feel. So I'm still out in the field, careless about how they feel.
12 really pulled up. 12 really pulled up.
They trying to shut us down. Wasn't dead, what? Wasn't dead, what?
Turns out pretty bad for everyone. Yeah, I don't want to pay for shit. I don't want homies to pay for shit. You know what I mean? Absolutely. So we're keeping them here if they're drunk, you know? Yeah. But at the end of the day, bro, I appreciate you putting them out. Yeah, of course.
I can feel it up in my stomach. Baby, I feel a certain way when you go away and you're not there. I don't mean to be nosy, but I feel lonely, babe. Can you come here?